What you doing, Lily? What you doing? Hi! Hi! Silly Lily! Silly Lily, what you doing? Show us how you can army crawl. Come on, you can do it. Come here. You're going in circles. Oh, there she goes. Go and get the fan. It will not be too long before she's up on the knees. What you got? Lily, what you got? Lily. Lily, Lily, Lily. Lily, Lily, Lily. What you doing, babies? What you doing? Are you getting into stuff? Ow. She said, hey, I could maybe reach that fan. This is so cool. I can get everything now. Uh-oh, where you going? Where you going? Where you going, Lily? She says, hey, if I get up like this, I can go faster. Did you get it? Did you get it, silly Lily? The monkey baby? The monkey baby? Your toys are over here.
Hi, I'm Leap. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh, we're dancing now?
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
I'm interested in that fan.
Y, Z. Now I know my ABC.
On the drawer.
Next time, won't you sing
Hey,
with me?
hey, that's mine.
Sing.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Jeez, I don't even know what no means, but I will soon. You would know really soon what no, no, no means. Whoa, where are you going? Are you walking? Are you walking? You're a big girl. You're a big girl. Is she doing that or?
Yeah, she's doing it.
Lily, what are you doing? You're a silly girl.
Hi, I'm Leap. Let's sing the alphabet song.
Mm-mm.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
I don't know where to go, huh?
Now I
Says there's only toys. I don't want toys.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye,